Shade, be a pal and go up, please. That was very friendly, Shade. Oh, hi, Mr. Noodle. Hi. Dorothy has a question. How do you take turns with a friend, Mr. Noodle?
Yeah, Mr. Noodle. How do you take turns? Who's he calling? Who is it?
It's Mr. Noodle's sister, Miss Noodle.
Hi. Oh, I know her. Mr. Noodle.
She's your sister and your friend.
So how do you take turns with a friend? Wow, look at that. So take turns with a swing. No, not like that.
Take turns, Mr. Noodle and Miss Noodle. Yeah, take turns.
Mr. Noodle. Miss Noodle. That's not taking turns.
Come here, please.
Try again. Take turns on the swing. Just one person, then the other.
One person.
Now they got it. He cleaned it off for her. That's a good friend.
Very nothing.
No, wait. You okay, Miss Noodle?
Well, sharing is nice, but it's not taking turns. Mr. Noodle, come here again. Taking turns is when one person swings and the other person waits or pushes.
You got it now? Try again. Get the swing. Got it. Now take turns. You can do it. Miss Noodle.
Oh, that's it! Miss Noodle is taking a turn! Yay!
That's the way. Okay, Miss Noodle's turn. You push, Miss Noodle.
Yay!
Yeah.
You got it!
That's taking turns. Oh, Miss Noodle again. She got her own style.